Aw, looks like Wenda's expecting someone. Uh-oh, I didn't mean like that. Call the cops. Mr. Black's got all her money, but she has bigger problems right now. You've got triplets. Wait, Mr. Black took all your money. How can we afford a party? Is this your venue? Well, it's cozy. It's okay. Everything's better with party hats. Besides, maybe we can whip up something with all this stuff. This cardboard can make a great 3-layer cake. Just don't forget the frosting. 1 layer for each of you.
Yay!
Add some candles so they can make a wish. Remember, you have to keep your wish secret.
Yeah.
Help this moment last forever with a photo. Uh-oh, it looks like you need to charge. You don't have your phone charger with you.
Huh?
That's okay. We'll just need to get creative. Like whipping up your own photo booth. After all, who doesn't love party photo booths? Come on, kids, step right in. There's plenty of room. We take cash and credit, also tokens. Careful with those silly faces. They might stay that way. Probably shouldn't have said anything. Why didn't you tell me the dancing started? Hey, what's this? Ooh, it's a toy car. Think it'll make a good birthday present? Maybe we should think outside the box. And by box, I mean cardboard. A whole cardboard play set. Lay down the tracks, and soon we're going places. Notice how you can't spell cardboard without car? And these speedsters are custom models. Come on, kids. It's time to play with your new toys. These cars don't run on gas, just your imagination. Oh no! Mom's about to take a little trip. Unfortunately, she's taking your new toy with her. Well, if these kids still have a need for speed, we can always make them their own set of wheels. Let's whip up your own wagon to ride. And it's gonna be a little blue coupe. Hey, it's Aqua. You think it runs on water? Ooh, Pinky's behind the steering wheel. But Mom's really the one in the driver's seat. Uh-oh, you hit a snag and ran out of fuel. Maybe this is why newborns usually don't drive. Calm down. If we don't have a gas station, we can make one. This place has got all the fuel you need. And our prices can't be beat. Try it out.
Hey!
Someone needs to push. Thanks, Simon. Oh, they dispense the gas for you, just like in New Jersey. Pretty soon, you'll all be on your way. A trip to the cinema's the perfect birthday treat. Need ticket money? Mom's got you covered. She'll make you your very own ATM. Granted, You could have just made tickets. But Ratty's gotta eat. Tickets, please. There's one for each of you. Find your seats. The show's about to start. But first, we gotta get the screen ready. We just need to get a spare lens. And of course, some handy-dandy cardboard. Now just pick a movie everyone will love. I'm hoping for something scary or a musical. Ooh, whatever this is, it seems like a fun watch. Of course, the important part's not the movie. It's the snacks you enjoy while watching said movie. So why don't we make you a popcorn machine? And look, Sky wants to help. He'll even add his personal touch. Now it's time to let those kernels flow. Would you like extra butter with that? There's more than enough to go around. Enjoy. There's more where that came from too. Uh-oh, you guys are making a big mess.
Wow.
I mean, it's kind of expected for a cinema floor. Still, we should make something to help clean up. Hope our Pinky vacuum's hungry. There's a big lunch. Just kidding. She prefers nachos. She saved the popcorn so Mama can have a treat too. Hope you had a happy birthday. Just wait until next year. Their own. Come on, guys. The paper water's fine. You too, Oren. Ah, much better. Now relax and let all your troubles wash away. And why not have swim practice while you're at it? We don't want you getting too cold. Time for some towels and some warm kisses. Still, something tells me they were in the pool too long.
Ew.
But look who's here to help. It's Ratty. Sorry, buddy. You're about to lose face. But it'd be a shame to let it go to waste. Maybe it just needs a little depth. And tissues. You can't go wrong with tissues.
Cool.
For once, it's okay to pick your friend's nose. Okay, kids. Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy?
Boo.
Okay, what else do kids like? Ooh, minions!
Cool.
Lay him down. Let's make him into their new toy. He's just gonna need some limbs. Some string and a clip wouldn't hurt either. Ooh, these are some great shoes. In fact, let's make a place for the minions to hang out. Now the babies have their own minion mobile. Aw, that puts smiles on your faces. Now off to sleep. What? You need a story or something? Ooh, there's somebody at the door. Why, it's our old pal. A piece of paper. And just in time for our latest craft. Looks like the babies are getting a mini Pinky Mama of their own. She'll need lips to give goodnight kisses. She's gonna need some straps on back. And let's make her a friend too. It's Sky! Now slide your hand right in. It's a new puppet. Aw, they're telling the babies a bedtime story. Now they're sound asleep. And just in time, too. But we're not done with crafting just yet. Ooh, grab that potato chip container. Are there any chips left inside? Well, Mama Pinky sure earned a little snack. But don't ditch that tube just yet. We can put a nice face on things, like Wenda's or Ratty's. Add some old fairy lights right inside the tube.
Cool.
And place each face right on top. Hot glue a little rope or twine on the bottom. Hang them up right on the ceiling. And you can always light up the night.